So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a WordPress plugin. So let me show you how we can do this step by step. We are going to create one amazing plugin here that will generate the random code in a dashboard. Okay, so whenever you open the dashboard, like see in your WordPress panel here, and you will see here the random code. Okay, so let's see how we can create this plugin. So first thing is we have to do it very fast. So how we can do this? So we will use a ChatGPT. So how we can use it? So just open the ChatGPT. We all know how we can use it. Now we just need to write a simple WordPress plugin code that can generate random codes. So as you can see here, this will guide you step by step how we can do this. Okay, so what we need to do first, we need to create one folder. Okay, so whatever the plugin, you need to create a folder for. So as you can see here, random code visit. So that folder we will create. So I'll just copy that code. Okay, go to here in this download folder, click on new folder and just paste your like this. This is the folder. Now we need to open the VS Code or any code editor. Okay, so let me just open the VS Code here. I have VS Code like this. Now as you can see here, this thing is we have to create one file, and that file name is random-code-visit.php. So just copy this file name and make sure you have to save that file with this name. So .php, and I'll save it in under that random code visit folder and save this file. Now we need to write a code for on this file. So as you can see, here is the code. So just copy the code like this. Okay, and just paste it here. Done. Now as you can see here, there is an author, so your name. So I'll just put here the coding bus. Okay, done. Now as you can see, here's a code. So I need a random code. So please give me 5 random codes. So that will give you the codes also. So I'll just need to what I need to do, I need to copy and paste these codes like this. Just go here. As you can see, the code 1, so just copy and paste between that column like this. Make sure like this. Done. So what we need to do here, just save this file. Now let's go to here. Okay, and just go here, and as you can see, this is the folder. Just use and just compress that file. You need to make this folder as a zip file. Okay, so I have just compressed and this is the zip file. Now go to your WordPress website, see this one. Now let's go to the plugin, click on add new plugin. Okay, and what do we do? We need to upload plugin. Click on upload plugin, click on choose file, and we know that we have one zip file, this one, and we need to install now. Then as you can see, click on activate plugin. Done. And it's done, it's activated. Now let's see how this will show the result. Let's go to the dashboard here and let's see. And as you can see, a random code visit. So that's amazing. Okay, let me just refresh this dashboard and let's see this one is working nice. Once you click on the dashboard, so this code will generate again. This will fetch the random code from our list. Okay, so that's the amazing WordPress plugin that we have created in just 5 minutes. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.